Stickball does provide an outlet for a lot of kids. We come out here, we throw around, joke around. I see a difference in our friend group before and after Stickball. We try to come out here at least 2 to 3 times a week. It's something we love, so we're more than happy to come out here and practice.
The background and the history of stickball is, so instead of going to war, tribes used to play a game of stickball so they wouldn't have to be sending out their warriors just to perish for no reason. Nowadays, we do it as more of a form of rekindling with our ancestors, because stickball was taken away from us and it was outlawed for a very long time, and they were trying to force us not to play this game. But now that in this modern life, we're able to give the respect that our ancestors deserve. They battled for this game, they fought for this game, and they died for this game, and now we get to play it for them.
Growing up around here, it has been bittersweet. It is a really strong community, and we all within the community, we love and respect each other and do what we can do for each other. But then on the other hand of that, growing up around this area, a lot of kids fall into the wrong pathway, or they fall into that stigma that a lot of Native Americans have against them.
It's really easy for a child to get caught up into something like that. They're very easily influenced, because I was out doing stupid stuff whenever I was younger, and I regret every second of that. I just want kids to know that they're able to come and have fun playing stickball instead of going out and using substances or just being bad. There's a lot more to life than just that.